Hi, this is Heather, Maintenance Breakdown Coordinator, JLE, and this week's tips from the tech is going to be 2 websites that are going to help you in the event that we're running behind in maintenance on other breakdowns. You will be able to get the ball rolling and get you moving a lot quicker. And these 2 websites, NTTS and Find My Truck Service, will really speed up the process and help you get off the side of the road or get you assisted. Here is the Find Truck Service site. Really good, as I was saying. Pretty easy. You just go mobile repair, truck repair, and mobile, and then it'll say truck repair, trailer repair, tire repair, and so we'll say truck repair. And just click enter and it will tell you. So this from Dalzell, South Carolina, it'll just say this is 4.84 miles. You got a speed code that's 17.89 miles. You can just scroll down and pick what you need. What's nice is it also has a dealership option. You just got to scroll down, it'll say dealer truck. And whatever, yours is a Detroit, Cummins, Freightliner, it's got Kenworth. Here we'll hit on the Kenworth, hit enter, and it'll pull up all the worldwide equipment, MHC, Peterbilt, Carolina International Trucks, all the dealerships, and then their radiuses of where they're at. We also got the NTTS, which is the other site I told you that's really good. You don't need no memberships, nothing. It's all free. So we'll start with, we'll say Alabama, click on that, and then you just find out where you're at. And we'll just use Avondale. Click on Avondale, and this is nice because this has truck repair, towing and recovery, tire sales and repair, trailer repair, truck stops with repair. It has truck wash, glass repair, fuel stops. I know a couple of you asked about fuel stops. This has scales. If you need a scale, you want to weigh stations, rest areas, motels. I know a couple of you asked about motels when it was in breakdown. So that's why I kind of like the NTTS site a little bit better because it has more options. So we'll test it out. We'll go tire sales and repair. Click on that. And this has every tire sale. And this is 0.78 miles, 1.42 miles. And it even tells you too, a lot of them have national accounts, which we have pretty much every national account. This one, M&M Tire Mechanical Services, many national tire accounts, which we have as well, which makes it nice. There's a Love's, a TA. And you just goes right on over, and you can actually, there's 9 pages of it. So we're already at 41.51 miles. You hope you don't have to go that far, because the farther away they are, the longer, unfortunately, you're sitting. But a lot of times you do have to branch out because they just either can't get to you or they got very extended long wait times. But again, really nice resource to have. This is Heather, tips from the techs. Hope you enjoyed and you find very useful the information that was provided to you today. Stay safe and stay proudly driven.